Hey guys, welcome back to another tech video. Today I'll be showing you how to program a universal remote for a Samsung TV. After the setup, I noticed that there was also an issue with the on and off button. So I'm also going to show you how to get that fixed. Okay. So the brand remote we're working with is the RCA, and this one is the RCA 414BHE, and we are using the Samsung code 12051. There's only two codes. I'm guessing that these two codes work for a lot of the Samsung TVs. So there's also a manual way which they suggest to try these two codes before and see if it works for you. If not, then you can try the manual. Okay, first things first, you're going to press and hold down on the TV button. Number two, you're going to enter the code that is given to you. And for number three, if the LED on the power button doesn't blink 4 times, then you are now able to go ahead and use your remote on the Samsung TV. Now, fixing the power issue, I thought that it had something to do with the remote, but I realized that it wasn't the remote, it's the TV. There's a feature on the TV, so you go to press the menu on the remote, you go down to, you find your systems, and you go down to your power control. Click on your power control, and here you see it says power button on and off. Earlier mine was set to power on only, so you just go ahead and switch it to power on and off, and then you will be able to just turn the TV on, and then you can turn it back on again, and there you have it. So, and if you want to see more videos like this, remember to hit the subscribe button. Thanks again, guys.